Put your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby.
Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna well mail. All right, if you guys are interested in seeing what's in the jewel box subscription box for this month, then stay tuned. Hey. All right, you guys, so I got the jewel box. Oh my gosh, I have officially became a part of Erica's team. I'm so excited. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this box, but this is a collab that she did with the Fox and Pip, and y'all, I've already seen the goodies and they're good, okay? Just know that they're good. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so I did, you know, open this up already to kind of browse through it, okay? I just couldn't wait. I got it and I just couldn't wait, okay? So that's the thing. So don't judge. All right, so here we go. Oh, you just open the box and this is how it came, okay? Like, first of all, these colors are everything. This here sticker I'm trying to keep. That's why it's on there like that, because it's so cute. Like, I don't want to give it up, but I know I don't know. Y'all know, planner girls of the world, we know how it is. So the first thing I saw in my box is this, and y'all, let me tell y'all, I love me a good bag. Like, how cute is this bag? Like, look at the girls on there. First of all, look at the girls. Then look at the bow. Okay, we got bows and we got girls that's serving all kinds of realness for the culture. I'm here for it. These are beautiful. Oh, and then, oh my goodness, inside you just have so much room. The back is just the bows. I love bags like this because I can definitely like drop my pens and whatever crafting items I want to put inside of there. I'm gonna spray this with some of my spray I have for my shoes. It's like a protectant or whatever that I use for like my Uggs. I'm gonna spray that. I know some people like said something about wax or something. I don't know, I have to figure out that method, but I know that spraying this with my shoe stuff does act as a repellent from getting it dirty because it is white. But look at this, it's so stinking cute. Oh, okay, I can hardly stand it. All right, and then here are our goodies. Let me get into this. Ooh, I get so excited. Okay, I'm so excited. Here we go. All right, so, okay, where do we want to start? Let's just start here. Okay, so we have what looks like some die cuts. Let's get our die cuts out. Let me see. This is a whole lot of die cuts. Like, I love this, especially now that I have my A5. I definitely can make something shake with all of these. Okay, it says, my diamonds are real. Look at sis. Ain't she cute? I'm here for it. Then we have, look at this. She's holding a bow and the diamond, the jewel, you know, for the jewel box. I'm here for it. And then we have our girl. Now, this is my style right here. I love a good long, like, I wouldn't say floppy, whatever. Like, I just love stuff like this with the pockets and just comfortable, casual, comfortable. I'm here for that. And this one, y'all know I'm here. I always am here for her sayings and stuff. Always won't open new doors. You already know that'll preach, okay? What you allow is what will continue. This is something that is so true, and how we let people treat us is how they will continue to treat us. Just remember that. And this one says, shh, napping. Oh, queen napping. I said napping queen. Shh, queen napping. And look at this. You get a good TN. Okay. I have all my friends within. Oh, all my jewels. Not all my friends. I have all my jewels within me. Live, love, and sparkle. That is so cute. Then you have a mug with the unk on it. Yes, come through, heels. I'm here for the heels. Okay. Yes, a good purse. Y'all know. Here for the purse. Now, come on, hips. Come on, hips. You better come on through with the shape. And hold on, y'all see them edges? Can we get a close up of the edges, please? Charles, we need a close up of the edges. Let's see, is it gonna do it? Come on, Charles. You have one job. Okay, there we go. Look at them edges. I'm here for it. Okay, then we have our big earrings. Y'all know I love me some of these earrings anyway. These are some of my favorite type of earrings to have. The big 80s baby earrings, you know. It just goes with the look. 80s, 90s, whatever you want to call it. Oh, hold on, wait. It had the bow in the middle. Did y'all see that? Did y'all catch the bow? Maybe I just didn't catch the bow. Oh, come on, bag. With the bow. Woo-wee. Periods. And then, we get our bow, and it has the unk on it. The bow with the jewel. And then just some, okay. Then we just got 4 of the bows. Y'all know I live for a fox and pit bow. Like, I do. I love it. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Come on with the inspirational sayings. Come on, bag. This one of them expensive Birkin bags. I'm here for it with the bow on it. Come on. Diamond Queen. And then some more of our things. It says 3 daily habits. Have a morning routine. Set small goals. Journal. And track your journey. Love that. I love those little sayings. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. And then another one of these cute. Is this a Chanel bag that's like this? I feel like it's a Chanel bag. Y'all know I ain't got money. So it looked like a Chanel bag to me. So we're going to say that's what it is. So look at all these die cuts that you get with this. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, I'm going to move them over kind of to the side. Let them all kind of stay over there. We get this little, what is this? It's like a little jewel. It's a jewel. It's a charm, like a charm thingy. Okay, I'm trying to open this. Let me see if I can get this open. Y'all know your girl got these nails and all of that. Forget that. I'm gonna cut this. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so this is, oh wow. So you get an extra little thing to put on here so you can hook it on if you want to and like clip it onto something, which I actually have my little tools here from, I got this set off of Amazon, so I can just take one of these and hook it on here and use it as a charm to go on my planner, or I can put this on a bracelet. I love that it's so versatile, so I can put it anywhere. But this, y'all know purple ain't really my color, but this'll work right here. This'll be a thing, and I'm here for it. Let me put this over here to the side so I don't lose it. But I'm here for that. Okay. Keep it moving. This box is so cute. Like, I'm just here for all the colors. It's perfect for this season. You know, it's not too dark. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'll be here for it. We gotta run them. Is this? Oh no, this is a sticker with some coffee. This is like that coffee I made that one morning, and it looked so good, and it was so nasty. But this looks so good. And I'm like, now I have a fear of like coffee that's this color, but this is so pretty. It has the bow with the jewel inside of like the little coffee cup. I'm here for it, okay? And it's a sticker. It isn't one of the die cuts. All right, so here we go. We have our girl stickers. Yep, yeah, no, I'm like peeking. I see something behind my hand. Okay, look at her. So you get 3 different of the girl stickers, and these are so stinking cute, so I can use these multiple ways, multiple days. And then look at this. Y'all know I'm here for the holographic bow. Come through. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Okay, and then we have our girl with all the hips and dips. Yes, I'm here for her. Won't it will? I'm here for it. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that arch? Look at that arch, okay? Y'all better get like the jewel box. I'm here for it. These are body goals, okay? If I look like this, y'all would be, I wouldn't even be on this channel. Let me go now, cause I'd be somewhere living a life on Instagram, okay? Look at this. It's so cute. Wait. Oh, y'all didn't see the purse though. Let me see. Come on, Charles. Can we get a close up, Charles? Look at the girl on the like the design right there. So cute. Here for it. Okay, and then we have our other stickers, like our deco stickers here. Love this. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. I can't wait to use this in my planner. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and like make some shake already. Just know I will. Okay, look at these. Oh yeah, she about to get. She finna get used. And then look at these. You get some washi. I don't think I got washi on the last one. I I love, like, this paper feels so good. I love it. I love it so much. And then we have like a mini kit, and I feel like this is like for the Hobonichi. Like, this is definitely Hobonichi style. And I'm not in my Hobonichi anymore, so that's the thing. This makes me want to go pull it out just to playing with it, but I'm trying to see what else I could kind of make shake with it. But this is so cute. I'm here for this kit. So you got a whole kit in here, plus some extra, like, you got a whole 2 kits, I feel like, because this is definitely like an Erin Condren kit, and then you can use this one in your Hobonichi. I'm here for it, y'all. Okay, sis, you doing it. I see you. I see you, sis. Okay, so now let's get into our papers, which I know I love because she includes 2 of each one, so you can really like do all the things with them. Okay, so let's do the front side, and then we'll flip it over to the back. All right, so this side we have like these squares or diamonds maybe, and it has like a little diamond inside of it. And then let's see what's on the back. And on the back we got the bows. We got the bows. Drop bows on them. We drop bows on them. I'm here for that. And then look at this one. This, y'all, this might have to like go ahead and go inside the planner on today, because this is so stinking cute. I love this pattern. And then on the back it just kind of has, what would we call this, like a marbly type thing, galaxy marble type feel. It's real cute still, and I love that you get 2 different sizes. You can make whatever you want to make out of that. And then here we have just like the army fatigue in the colors. I'm here for that. That's super cute. And then on the back we just have some of the triangles, a really cute simplistic design, but it does stand out. Alright, so this is our jewel box subscription for the month of October, you guys. I am loving this collaboration with the Fox and Pip. Like, I'm just so excited for you, girl. I am so excited. I'm always excited when we get an opportunity to collab. But when we get to step outside of our normal and get a chance to work with other people, I just think that is so awesome. So here are all of our goodies that we got. Plus, let's not forget about this lovely bag. Okay, I'm here for it all. Erica, thank you so much for adding me to the team, to the squad. I'm part of the Jewel Box squad. You guys, make sure you go and check out the website and get ready for the next one. So this was October, so December will be the next box that comes out, and you guys aren't gonna want to miss it. Like, every box is just getting better and better. She's listening, she's like hearing us, y'all. Like, I love when shops and companies hear what we're saying when we're talking to them, and we're telling them like, hey, we want this, we want that, oh, we like this, we didn't like this one so much. Like, she's all about the feedback. So make sure you guys like hit her up, tell her what you guys love about the box, give her suggestions of things you'd like to see in the box. I mean, this is pretty awesome. I'm here for it. The only thing I'm missing was a Fox and Pip jewel box pen. Y'all know I'm here for a pen. I'm a sucker for a pen and bows. I'm here for that. I'm probably a sucker for anything stationary, but neither here nor there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, thank you, Erica, for sending me the box. Make sure you guys go like, subscribe, and comment to my channel, and go follow Erica on the Isis, is it the Jewel? Isis Ella Jewel on Instagram. I'll have all of her information linked down below, so you guys can shop with her as well. I love you in real life, and I'll catch you in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!